Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a paid VPN with gaming-optimized servers and admin access on your device. You install the VPN client on the platform you'll use for Bo6. On PC, install the client. On console, prepare router or PC-to-console sharing. Once done, sign in, update the app, and select the desired region server. Make sure to temporarily disable any conflicting network tools so the VPN can establish a clean route to the game servers and minimize setup errors. You now connect and fine-tune settings to keep Bo6 responsive. Choose WireGuard or Open VPN UDP for better speed and lower jitter. Select a nearby region to reduce latency. If your VPN supports split tunneling, route only Bo6 through the VPN to keep downloads on your normal connection. Once connected, run an in-game latency test or ping the server region. If ping is high, switch servers. Remember to lock your VPN protocol and save the profile for fast reconnects before you launch the game. You finish by launching Bo6 with the VPN active and verifying matchmaking and voice chat. If you see NAT errors, try switching protocol or reconnecting to a different server. On console, consider a router-level VPN for consistent NAT behavior. If matchmaking is blocked, clear the game cache, reboot your router, and relaunch the game. One key troubleshooting tip: if connectivity still fails, temporarily enable port forwarding or DMZ for your console IP on the router and test again. Then revert any broad
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.